Here I've got HUAWEI P40 Lite, and let me show you all the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and let me start with the first code. It's super quick one, and it's *##06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you with both IMEI numbers and also with serial number assigned to your device. So just smoothly, after entering this short code, you can come along with all unique numbers assigned to your HUAWEI P40. Click on OK to go back. And now it's time for the second code. It's *##, *##, and this one will provide you with the whole calendar info. So here you will locate all events, all celebrations, important dates that you've got in your calendar. So from now on you will not forget about any upcoming events. So just let's go back once you check it. And now it's time for the project menu. So this is the longest code that we will use, and it's *##, 284 657 9 ###. And as you can see in the project menu, you can come along with background settings, venue information, network information query, software upgrade, restore factory, and also the battery charge. So let me, for example, check the battery information. Just click here, and now you can come along with the current battery level and also with the temperature. Let me go back. Then let's check, for example, venue info right here. If we'll check the version, here you will find all the details. Then under manufacturer info, you've got some further details, and under other information, you've got serial number and some other important dates. So let's go back, and the fourth code is *## 2846 and pound. And now we are in MI menu, normal test, and smoothly enter this code and then use it. To switch off this code, you have to tap over here twice, and now it's deactivated. You can also open audio symbol test by entering code *## 2846 *##. It's not always working. As you can see now, we cannot perform it, but most probably you will be able to do it after some further usage of your phone. And this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily test your device, check all the codes in your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.